So it's June 14th. We got some ripe strawberries here. This is Eversweet. I tried it last year, wasn't too pleased, but I decided to give it another chance. This tree was, this strawberry was protected with one of these Gaza bags, and when it's ripe, the bird pecked at it. So we're not gonna eat that one. But this one, it's a medium size, interesting cone shape. So I will be surprised if it's sweet at all. So we'll see. Wonderful. So yes, I'm glad I kept it. It's very sweet. Very sweet. So 8 out of 10 for sweetness. Doesn't look too pretty though, but it tastes good. So that's what matters. So I'm so glad I tried it. I kept it. We have another one here. One more? Okay, we'll see. Take it out the Gaza bags. These Gaza bags are a hassle to open and to tie it on each strawberries. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we get the same flavor. Nope. No. It's very sweet. I think there's another one. No, this is not right. Okay, so Gaza bags are really not helpful that much. I don't think it's really necessary. This is why we don't see commercial strawberries put in Gaza bags. They just let it be because I don't think Gaza bags are suitable for strawberries or protecting birds from eating it. So skip it.